Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know your PCV valve is failing? The purpose of the PCV is to help relieve crankcase pressure that's caused by blow-by. Blow-by occurs when combustion naturally seeps past the piston rings and that combustion gas goes straight into the crankcase. Two things can happen when the crankcase pressure is not relieved. Number one, all that pressure is going to start to build up in the crankcase, and that's going to cause the seals and gasket to fail. For example, you're going to start to have failed crankshaft seal. You're going to have failed rear main seal. That's going to cause a major oil leak. You're going to have failed oil pan gasket. That's going to also cause oil leak. You're going to have valve covers that start to fail and start to leak, and your camshaft seal will start to fail as well. The second sign is going to be engine sludge. When all that combustion gas is not relieved and it just lingers around the crankcase, it's going to start mixing with that engine oil. When it starts to mix up with that engine oil will start to become sludge. When sludge starts to build up, it's going to linger around the engine, and you're going to see sludge just building up on the top end of the engine and the lower end of the engine. Basically, it's going to be your valve or train's going to become sludge, and the bottom end of your bearings also become sludge as well. When your PCV is stuck open, you're going to notice rough idle. You're going to notice maybe an engine misfire. You're going to notice black smoke coming out of your tailpipe. And you may even notice that your spark plug may be fouled out and full of engine oil. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.